Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Yahoo Mail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Yahoo Mail account. So please make sure to watch till the end, subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to yahoo.com. Here, tap Sign In at the top right. You will be taken to the sign in page, so tap Create an Account. It is now time to fill in your details, so enter your first and last name. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Also select the appropriate dialing code and enter your phone number. Also add in your date of birth and your gender, but it is optional. When done, tap Continue. Here, tap Text me a verification code. This will send a code to your phone number. So, enter the verification code and tap Verify. Finally, tap Done. And that's how you create a Yahoo Mail account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.